Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently having problems with not being able to log in into your Wattpad app and you want to be able to fix this? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix this issue. So what you're going to do firstly is to just close your Wattpad app and instead we're going to open up our settings app on our phone. So go into your settings app and as you can see you should now be taken to a page very similar to this, which is perfect. So on this page, we're just going to scroll down and then you're going to click where it says general. So click on general. And as you can see, we should now be taken to this page, which is great. So basically what I did myself to be able to fix it, I had this problem before and I scroll down and I'm going to now click on storage in here as you can see. So click on storage because then it should now take you to this page. Now what you're going to do on this page is to just firstly click on the search symbol in the top right corner. Search for Wattpad in here and click on it, and as you can see you should now be taken to this page. Now what you're going to do on this page is to just click on Upload App and once again click on Upload App in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here again. So now just wait for your Wattpad app to completely update to the latest version. So when it's done, go back and then try again. If it still is not working to log in, what you have to do is that you have probably forgotten either your email or your username or your password. So try to resetting it after that and try again and hopefully now you will be able to log in.